Imagine solar panels that follow the sun's journey across the sky, maximizing energy production and efficiency. That's the power of photovoltaic trackers, and today, we're uncovering their secrets. Sure, traditional solar panels are fantastic, but what if I told you there's a way to squeeze even more energy from the sun? Switch to photovoltaic trackers, the high-tech heroes that move with the sun, capturing its rays at the optimal angle. Visualize solar panels that tilt and rotate, like sunflowers, tracking the sun's path from dawn to dusk. It's like a mesmerizing dance that generates more clean energy than ever before. But why all the movement? Well, photovoltaic trackers constantly adjust their angles to ensure that solar panels are receiving maximum sunlight exposure. This means more energy, longer peak production hours, and ultimately, greater savings. And the benefits don't stop there. Photovoltaic trackers make the most of available land by using it more efficiently. They're perfect for areas with limited space, ensuring that renewable energy generation isn't restricted by square footage. Studies have shown that photovoltaic trackers can boost energy production by up to 25% compared to fixed panels. Imagine the impact this could have on our clean energy goals. Behind these sleek movements lies a complex engineering marvel. Engineers are pushing the boundaries, designing trackers that are weather-resistant, durable, and able to withstand the test of time. Let's get into the nitty-gritty. Photovoltaic trackers come in various flavors, and each type is designed to optimize solar energy generation in its own way. First up, we have single-axis trackers. These trackers move panels along one axis, typically from east to west, following the sun's movement as it travels across the sky. They can increase energy production by about 20–25% compared to fixed panels, making them a popular choice for many solar farms. Now, let's shift our focus to dual-axis trackers. They move panels along two axes, both horizontal and vertical, allowing them to track the sun's position more precisely. Dual-axis trackers are incredibly efficient, capable of boosting energy production by up to 40% compared to fixed panels. But wait, there's more. We also have tilted single-axis trackers, which combine elements of both single-axis and fixed panels. These trackers are a smart compromise, offering increased energy production without the complexities of dual-axis movement. Now, the big question: which type is better? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. The choice depends on factors like location, available land, budget, and energy goals. Ultimately, the better choice is the one that aligns with the project's specific needs. Some situations might benefit more from the precision of dual-axis tracking, while others might find the simplicity of single-axis or tilted single-axis trackers more suitable. Stay tuned for more enlightening explorations into the world of technology and innovation. Subscribe and ring that notification bell to stay connected.